We had a truck just launch a boat. As you can see, the launch ramp doesn't quite make it to the water anymore, so they had to block it off. So it's a dirt launch ramp now. There's a couple of interesting videos regarding the National Park Service and their contractors extending this launch ramp. And a big tractor actually fell into the lake in 80 feet of water, and they actually had to lift it up using air balloons. And the driver was okay. He popped out almost immediately. We have some kayakers, so this might be a good kayaking destination. But back in the day when the concrete launch ramp was in use, people from Kingman used to come out here. I would say it's probably only an hour's drive at best to get from Kingman to here. You can see the facilities are way up there these days. But this used to be a hopping place in the summertime. South Cove. Well, the zoom function on this GoPro isn't all that good, but we have a truck that is going to be launching a small boat. Single axle trailer. And it looks like it's a small aluminum boat, maybe, I don't know, 16 feet long. All right, so we had this guy successfully launch his boat single-handedly. It's a small aluminum boat. And then we have this center console boat. It looks like it's about maybe 21 feet. Nice. We have a better look at the launch ramp and where they gave it up a couple of years ago. There's a great video that you guys need to search regarding South Cove and the launch ramp. I think they extended it from that point over here all the way down to accommodate the boaters that come out of here from Kingman, which is really a nice service that the National Park Service did.